it's me, Evelyn. I'm going to show you how can we implement quizzes to the classroom. Quizizz is a learning platform that teachers can create or find gamified quizzes, lessons, presentation, and flashcards for students. We can get started for free. Let's see how can we get started with Quizizz. First step, go ahead and enter quizizz.com. Click the link. Then pick your role. Click Get Started. You have to sign up with your email, but please use school or work email address. I'm going to sign up with Google and choose my work email address. When you log in Quizizz the first time, you should go ahead and edit your profile. You can change your profile photo from here. I already edited mine. Click Edit Profile. You will be able to edit your name and choose grade level and subject you teach. Then do not forget to click Save Changes. You will click Explore. Go ahead and type the topic you would like to find at the search bar. This is an example for high school math. After you choose the topic, you will be able to use filter by to find grade level and subject again. Moreover, you can pick how many questions of quizzes you want to find and choose the language. Then click Apply. Move your mouse to each result, then you will be able to view the details. You can see is the lesson or is a quiz. You can see how long it has been there and how many times it has been played. You also can click play and preview to try it out. And this is what your student will see when they log in. They have to click Start. Then they have to choose the correct answer. It will let students know that they chose the correct or incorrect answer. Before the next question, students will see the meme and the rank. Where are they at from all players? If you have decided what would you like to use, go back to the results page and click the arrow. You can make a copy and edit. You can change the name and click Save. Click Edit here to change the questions if you would like to. Quizizz is a great tool for math because it's allowed math type. After you edit the question, do not forget to click Save. You can change the timer for each question. If you want to set the timer to be the same for all questions, you can click Change for all questions here. You can check status for all of changes saved at the top bar. Click Publish when you are done with editing. You can use it either a live quiz or assigned homework. When you pick the live quiz, you can pick team or individual. For students, you will be able to set it up. You can choose to show the correct answer after the activity. You can shuffle questions or answers. You also can turn off showing the meme during the activity. Click Continue. Then students will see the link they have to go and the passcode they have to enter. You will be able to see students who joined the quiz, and you will be able to see how many students joined the quiz as well. Click Start when you and your students are ready. Click Assign Homework and then set up the deadline. Then click Assign. It will show the link and the passcode. You can make a screenshot and share the photo to students, or you can click to share the link to Google Classroom, or there are more options if you have Canvas or Schoology. Everything that you make a copy will be in my library. You will choose 3 ports and choose the topic to see student scores. I like to set up showing the best score at the top. Click student's name to see the progress. You can see how many attempts students have taken and what scores they got for each attempt. Moreover, you can check what questions student had a mistake. Then you can give students specific feedback or plan to review the lesson. You can use quizzes for all grade level and every subject areas. You just have to enter the topic at the search bar and filter by grade levels and subject areas. I only show you the free features for Quizizz. You can upgrade to Super to get more features. If you know any teachers that could be benefit from this video, please feel free to share it with them. Thank you so much for watching.